10 Everyday Carry Gear You Need to See. Everyday Carry (EDC) gear is all about being prepared for whatever life throws at you. Whether that's handling a minor emergency, navigating low-light situations, or simply staying organized throughout your day. These tools are more than just items in your pocket or bag. They're the unsung heroes that help you tackle the unexpected with confidence. With the right EDC, you're not just carrying items, you're carrying peace of mind. In today's world, having reliable, functional tools on hand can make all the difference, and the following gear is a must-see for anyone who values practicality, safety, and convenience. Olight 3 TEOS Flashlight. When it comes to lighting up your surroundings, the Olight 3 TEOS flashlight is a compact powerhouse that promises to deliver when you need it most. This flashlight offers an impressive 180 lumens of light, enough to illuminate dark spaces without being too bulky or cumbersome. Its simple and sleek design means you can easily slip it into your pocket or attach it to your keychain, making it an everyday essential. The light features 2 brightness settings, a low mode for everyday use and a high mode for when you need to light up a larger area. With a robust construction designed to withstand drops and impacts, the Olight 3 TEOS is built to last. Whether you're navigating your way in the dark, searching for something in a dimly lit area, or facing an emergency situation, this flashlight ensures you're never left in the dark. CRKey Williams Defense Key. The CRKey Williams Defense Key is one of those clever, understated pieces of EDC gear that blends self-defense with practicality. At first glance, it might look like an ordinary key, but its design makes it a highly effective self-defense tool in emergencies. Made from high-strength stainless steel, this key can be used for both defensive purposes and everyday functions. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to use it as a striking tool, a keychain, or even an impromptu tool for opening packages or bottles. When it comes to personal safety, having something that's discreet yet powerful can make all the difference. And that's exactly what the Williams Defense Key brings to the table. It's an everyday carry item that doesn't scream weapon, but it's ready to serve you when needed. Sabre Pepper Spray. For anyone looking to add an extra layer of security to their everyday carry, the Sabre Pepper Spray is a must-have. This compact canister of pepper spray is easy to carry and provides a powerful deterrent in dangerous situations. With a 10-foot range and a putt-and spray that can incapacitate an attacker for up to 45 minutes, Sabre is a trusted name in personal safety. The formula is designed to cause intense irritation to the eyes, nose, and throat, giving you valuable time to escape from a threat. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or on your keychain, making it convenient to have on hand whenever you feel uneasy about your surroundings. Peace of mind doesn't get more accessible than this. Just a quick press of a button can make all the difference in a moment of danger. Taser Pulse 2. The Taser Pulse 2 takes personal security to the next level with its advanced technology. A step up from traditional stun guns, this device delivers a high-voltage shock that incapacitates an attacker with a 15-foot range, all while being small and lightweight enough to fit into your everyday carry kit. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to hold, and it offers both a safety switch and a bright laser sight to ensure accurate targeting. The device is also equipped with a backup stun feature, so if the prongs miss, you still have a last resort method of self-defense. Whether you're out for a late-night walk or simply want peace of mind while traveling, the Taser Pulse 2 is a powerful tool that can help ensure your safety in a dangerous situation. Birdie Personal Safety Alarm. When it comes to personal safety, sound is your ally, and the Birdie Personal Safety Alarm is here to provide just that. This small keychain-sized alarm emits a loud, attention-grabbing 130 decibel sound when activated, enough to alert bystanders and deter potential attackers. The alarm is designed to be simple to use, featuring an easy-to-pull pin that activates the noise, allowing you to react swiftly if you feel threatened. Lightweight and compact, it can be clipped to your bag, belt loop, or keychain, meaning it's always within arm's reach. In a world where threats can arise unexpectedly, having the ability to call attention to yourself instantly can make a critical difference in staying safe. The Birdie Alarm provides a non-violent but highly effective means of self-defense. Woven X0 Easy Carry Light. The Woven X0 Easy Carry Light is a versatile flashlight that takes portable lighting to the next level. Unlike traditional flashlights that are often bulky or heavy, this one is designed to be sleek, lightweight, and exceptionally convenient to carry. It offers both bright illumination and a long battery life, making it perfect for daily use and emergency situations alike. What's remarkable about the Woobin X0 is its user-friendly design, featuring an easy-to-operate switch that cycles through different brightness settings, from a subtle glow to a powerful beam. Whether you're lighting your way in low-light conditions or simply need a handy light source for tasks around the house, the Woobin X0 ensures you're always prepared. Plus, its compact size allows you to slip it into your pocket or bag without feeling weighed down, making it a truly essential EDC tool. The James brand, the Ellis V2 Multi-Tool. For those who love having everything they need in one compact tool, the James brand Ellis V2 Multi-Tool is a game-changer. Combining functionality, style, and durability, this multi-tool is crafted with high-quality materials and designed for versatility. The Ellis V2 includes multiple tools, such as a knife, bottle opener, screwdrivers, and an all housed in a slim, pocket-friendly frame. Its sleek design ensures it doesn't look like an ordinary tool, allowing you to carry it discreetly in your pocket or bag. Whether you're dealing with minor repairs, opening packages, or just need something to help you get through your day, the James brand Ellis V2 Multi-Tool is a must-have companion for anyone who values efficiency and quality. Maxpedition EDC Pocket Organizer. Staying organized while carrying your EDC gear is essential, and the Maxpedition EDC Pocket Organizer is the perfect tool to help you do just that. This compact and durable organizer is designed to keep all your essential items in one place, from flashlights and multi-tools to pens, batteries, and more. With multiple compartments and elastic loops, it allows for easy storage and access to everything you need on the go. The rugged construction ensures that your gear stays protected from the elements, and its tactical design makes it a great fit for anyone who needs to stay organized in an efficient, accessible way. Woobin X2 Flashlight. Another excellent addition to your EDC kit is the Woobin X2 Flashlight. This compact, high-performance flashlight combines cutting-edge LED technology with an easy-to-use design. Offering a beam that can reach up to 150 meters, the Woobin X2 is perfect for both everyday tasks and emergency situations. Its rechargeable battery ensures you never have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, and its rugged, waterproof design means it can handle any weather conditions. With multiple lighting modes, including a strobe feature for emergencies, the Woobin X2 provides versatility and reliability at your fingertips. Anker SD Card Reader. In the digital age, staying connected and organized means being able to manage your data with ease, and that's where the Anker SD Card Reader comes in. This simple yet powerful device allows you to quickly transfer files between your SD card and your devices, making it perfect for photographers, content creators, or anyone who needs fast and reliable data management. Its compact design means it won't take up much space in your bag or pocket, and the plug-and-play functionality makes it incredibly user-friendly. With support for a wide range of SD cards and high-speed data transfer, the Anker SD Card Reader ensures you never miss a beat when it comes to handling your digital files. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.